Welcome back to our channel. Today, a deep dive into the heart of computer science and programming awaits us. The topic, the absolutely essential data structures and algorithms, frequently referred to as DSA. Whether you're just getting your feet wet in the world of coding or aiming to elevate your skills this year, this video presents an ideal roadmap. In the following minutes, expect a breakdown of key concepts, useful tips, and a guide to the best resources for mastering DSA. So, what are data structures and algorithms? Picture data structures as the bricks and mortar of your code, the means through which data gets efficiently organized and stored. Algorithms, on the other hand, are the blueprints, the step-by-step instructions to manipulate this data. Together, they form the spine of computer science, the tools you need to crack complex problems in programming. Moving on to the roadmap. Here's a straightforward yet effective plan to initiate your journey into DSA. First, foundations. Begin with the bare essentials like arrays, linked lists, and stacks. Grasp how these data structures function and the right time to utilize them. Next, sorting and searching. Immerse yourself in sorting algorithms such as bubble sort, merge sort, and quick sort. Learn the art of efficiently scouring through data using methods like binary search. Then, trees and graphs. Delve into hierarchical data structures like trees and their various applications. Then journey into the fascinating realm of graphs and algorithms like depth-first search and breadth-first search, followed by dynamic programming. Master this method for cracking complex problems by dividing them into simpler subproblems. And finally, practice, practice, practice. The secret to mastering DSA lies in regular practice. Utilize online platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeSignal to hone your skills and tackle real-world problems. When practicing on these platforms, remember these tips. Begin with easy problems. Start small, build your confidence, and progressively tackle more challenging problems. Analyze solutions. Post-problem solving. Invest time in analyzing different approaches and comprehending their time and space complexities. Stay consistent. Dedicate a fixed time each day to practice DSA. Consistency is the secret ingredient for progress. Join study groups. Engage with online study groups or communities for collaborative learning, strategy discussions, and learning from shared experiences. Finally, let's discuss resources. While online platforms provide excellent practice, books are a treasure trove of knowledge. A highly recommended read is Cracking the Coding Interview by Gail Lackman McDowell. This book is a goldmine of invaluable tips, techniques, and practice problems to help you nail coding interviews. And there you have it, a comprehensive roadmap to embark on your journey into the world of data structures and algorithms in 2024. Remember, great things take time, so be patient with yourself and keep striving. With commitment and consistent practice, DSA mastery is well within your reach. If this video proves helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe.